Discovering the benefits of online business with e-commerce. The internet has revolutionized the way we do business. With the rise of e-commerce, businesses can now tap into global markets and reach customers worldwide. What is e-commerce? E-commerce has become incredibly popular, with more and more businesses transitioning to an online platform. E-commerce is the process of buying and selling goods or services online. It allows businesses to reach new customers, expand their customer base, and increase their sales. It also eliminates the need for physical stores and can reduce costs associated with running a business. E-commerce also makes it easier for customers to shop, as they can do so from the comfort of their own homes. Additionally, e-commerce stores can be accessed from anywhere in the world, allowing businesses to expand their reach. E-commerce also allows businesses to provide customers with an enhanced shopping experience, including personalized product recommendations and detailed product information so shoppers can make informed purchases. Finally, e-commerce makes it easy for companies to track customer data and analyze user behavior, allowing them to optimize their online stores for better performance. Benefits of online business. It is a convenient, cost-effective way to reach new customers and increase sales. Additionally, online companies can offer customers a more personalized shopping experience. By tracking data such as customer purchases, online businesses can provide tailored products and services to customers. Another advantage of online business is connecting with customers in real time. With e-commerce, companies can interact with customers through social media, email, or live chats. Online businesses can offer customers a more diverse selection of products and services. By leveraging the power of the internet, businesses can easily expand their product line to include items from anywhere in the world. This can help companies to reach new markets and tap into previously untapped potential. Online business success stories. There are countless success stories of businesses that have leveraged the power of the internet to expand their customer base and increase their sales. Amazon, for example, started as an online bookstore and has since grown to become one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. With the right strategy and the right platform, businesses can unlock the potential of e-commerce and grow their business. In addition to online retail giants, small businesses and entrepreneurs have also used online businesses to great success. Many online startups have carved out a niche in the online world, offering unique products or services that appeal to their target market. These businesses often enjoy low overhead costs and access to a larger customer base than they would with traditional brick-and-mortar stores. Additionally, many online businesses can leverage the power of social media, allowing them to reach a wider audience while keeping costs low. Common challenges with online business. One of the biggest challenges is adapting to the ever-changing landscape of the internet. As technology advances, companies must be able to keep up with the latest trends in order to remain relevant. Additionally, businesses must be able to handle the influx of customers and orders that come with expanding into the online space. Another challenge is staying ahead of the competition. With so many businesses transitioning to the online space, businesses must be able to differentiate themselves to stand out. Additionally, companies must be able to keep up with customer demands and provide a secure and reliable shopping experience. Finally, online businesses must also be aware of the potential legal and security risks associated with an online business. With the increase in online fraud and identity theft, companies must ensure that their customers' data is secure and protected. Strategies for launching a successful online business. Launching a successful online business requires planning and preparation. The first step is to research the market and identify the products and services that are in demand. Businesses must also be sure to choose the right technology for their online store. This includes selecting an e-commerce platform that is reliable and secure. Additionally, businesses must ensure that their website is easy to navigate and that their checkout process is smooth and efficient. Businesses must also invest in marketing strategies to promote their online store. This includes creating a social media presence and leveraging SEO to reach potential customers. Additionally, businesses should consider running online ads and offering discounts and free shipping to attract customers. By understanding the benefits of online business and its common challenges, businesses can create a successful e-commerce store that allows them to tap into new markets and reach customers around the world. The best e-commerce platforms. Numerous e-commerce platforms are available, each with unique features and advantages. The most popular platforms are Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Shopify is a powerful and versatile platform that is easy to use and offers a variety of features. BigCommerce is another popular platform that is ideal for businesses looking to expand into the world of e-commerce. Finally, WooCommerce is a popular open-source platform that is ideal for businesses looking to customize their e-commerce store. Before selecting a platform, businesses should consider their budget and needs and research and compare different platforms. Additionally, online businesses must decide whether they want to host their store on their own server or use a third-party hosting provider. Tips for marketing your online business. Marketing is key to the success of any online business. It is important to create an effective marketing strategy that will reach potential customers and encourage them to buy from your store. This can include creating a social media presence, running online ads, and leveraging SEO. Additionally, businesses should consider offering discounts and free shipping and creating content such as blog posts and videos to engage potential customers. When it comes to online marketing, businesses should focus on providing value to their customers. This can include offering helpful resources such as tutorials and guides for using products. Additionally, online businesses should consider using email marketing campaigns and loyalty programs to build customer loyalty and trust. Designing an e-commerce website. Designing an e-commerce website can be a daunting task. It is important to create a website that is easy to navigate and secure. Additionally, businesses must ensure that the checkout process is smooth, efficient, and secure. Creating a website that is visually appealing and reflects the brand's identity is also important. Businesses should also consider the importance of online security. An e-commerce website must be secure to protect customer information and prevent data breaches. It is important to use a secure payment system, as well as using strong passwords and other security measures. Additionally, businesses must ensure that their online store complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Creating an online store. Creating an online store requires careful planning and preparation. It is important to create a store that is secure, reliable, and easy to use. Additionally, businesses must ensure that their store is optimized for mobile, as mobile shopping is becoming increasingly popular. Finally, online businesses must ensure that their store is integrated correctly with other platforms, such as social media and payment gateways. Conclusion. E-commerce has revolutionized how we do business, allowing businesses to tap into global markets and reach customers worldwide. From researching the market to designing a website and creating an online store, businesses must be sure to take the necessary steps to ensure a successful e-commerce experience. With the right strategy and the right platform, companies can unlock the potential of e-commerce and grow their business.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.